Everything inspires me about Tim Burton, really. When I look at all of the movies, when I watch anything that he has done, there's just something so fun in it. Fun but dark. For the makeup for the restaurant, I like to follow pictures and really, study them and make sure that, we are staying true to the actual character and how it was done in the movie. Today I'm going to be doing Jack Skellington on a girl. We like to gender switch the roles, make something a little bit our own but still staying true to it. I definitely think that the gender bending thing right now is definitely in makeup and in general. Anyone can kind of be anything you want to be. I teach a lot of the characters here how to do it because I can't always be here every single night. In our basement is where we have the area that they do their makeup, and they sit there and actually watch the movies and then have the picture up to get in the mode to come up here and entertain. I see a lot of pictures online that people post, so a lot of the time I'll be texting the characters and be like, hey, you should probably blend this a little more, or you should probably not contour your nose in that way. My favorite Tim Burton character, it would probably be Edward Scissorhands. That's my favorite movie. I actually had a crush on him when I was young. I remember I used to tell my friend when I was younger that, and she was like, you're so fucking weird. The movie just gives me so many feels, I guess I would say. I just feel kind of home when I'm watching his movies. Yeah, that's why I love him.